Norway is a home to a population of 5.3 million residents. Everyone in Norway is a theoretical millionaire in a milestone for the world's biggest sovereign wealth fund that has ballooned. From the website of Norway's central bank, which manage the fund, they have over 5.11 trillion crowns, which is 828.66 billion dollars. From this point, it is clear that everyone in Norway, every citizen of Norway, is entitled to not less than $1.5 million. So everyone in Norway is a millionaire. Let's look at the major exports in Norway. What are the materials? What are their natural resources that they export? Two major natural resources, oil and fish. Norway exports majorly oil and fish. They are rich in oil and they have fish everywhere. The major export partners, we have United Kingdom, we have Germany, Netherlands, Sweden, France, Belgium, Denmark, and the United States. These are their export partners. That means they export their materials to this country, their raw materials, their oil, their crude, their fish to these nations. Now let's look at their import partners. What are they importing and where are they importing from? Majorly, Norway imports foodstuffs and machineries. These are the two major things Norway imports: foodstuffs and machineries. So this creates a business opportunity. It's a gap in the market. So if you are planning or if you have any intention in starting a business in Norway, an agric is an opportunity, it's a gap, it's a space for any investor to step in and make billions. Since the country is so blessed and rich, it shows that the entertainment business will also do well in that area. The entertainment industry will flourish in that area. So if you are an entertainer, if you want to step into entertainment business, Norway is one of the best places you can start your business and make good money. Norway import majorly from China, Sweden, Germany, United States, South Korea, Denmark, and the United Kingdom. If your business is not solving any problem, definitely you will not scale, you will not make progress. Your product must be outstanding. It must render solution to an existing problem in Norway. There is one major problem you may encounter that you need to figure out how you are going to solve this problem, and that is language problem. Norwegians, they do well with people that speak and communicate with them fluently. And so if you want to step into business with them, you must be conversant with their language. And so you must take time to practice, to learn the language. Let's look at already existing big companies in Norway. We have Rystad Energy, we have Okla ASA, Norsk Hydro, Norsk Energy, Equinor, DNO ASA, we have Bank Norwegian, and American Shipping Company. These are the giants in Norway. And so you don't need to contend with those giants. If you're a beginner, if you want to start a business, you must look at the country, the economy, and identify a gap, and then fit into that gap and make billions. Please do like this video and drop your comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye bye.